this tutorial I will show you how to make manager in your YouTube channel. Let's start doing that. Go to Google Chrome. Here go to YouTube. Now go to YouTube Studio. From here go to YouTube Studio. This is your YouTube Studio. Now from here go to Setting. Here Setting. Here in the setting go to Permission tab. Here Permission tab. Now there go to Invite. Type here the email which of the person which you want to invite to manage your channel. For example, this is the email of the person which I want to invite to manage my channel. Select here the role. Here are the two basic roles which you need to select, like manager or editor. Both are same. Which you like to manage your channel or to edit your channel. Here I want to manage my channel. I click on manager. Here click on done. Look at there, this is pending. The invitation is not sent yet. This is in pending. When you click save button, YouTube want to confirm, verify it is you. Then click on proceed. Now check your mobile in which your Gmail is open. Now I am checking my mobile. Yes, it is me. The provide number is 27. I select 27. Now the invitation is sent to the person which you are invited. Once again we need to check. Click here setting. In setting go to permission. This tab. Here it is confirmed, invited. Note, this invitation is only for 30 days or nowadays 29 days. Check this 29 days. When 29 days is completed, this manager is automatically removed from my channel. I add this one person as manager. When 29 days are completed, this person is automatically removed from my YouTube channel. We are close. This is very simple process. You need to do it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe the channel for any updates regarding YouTube. Thank you.